Hazrat Sahel bin Saad Saidi told Hazrat Ibn Shihab that once Hazrat Uwaymar Ajlani visited Hazrat Asim bin Adi Ansari radiyallahu anhu and said, O Asim, you people kill a person declaring him a criminal who watching an other person with his wife committing adultery finishes him. So what should he do? O Asim, tell me. After asking its answer from Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam. So Hazrat Asim inquired of Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam about it, but Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam disliked asking such questions and considered it odious. Hazrat Asim radiyallahu anhu felt sorry when he heard disliking from Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam. When Hazrat Asim reached his household, Hazrat Uwaymar also came and said, O Asim, what reply did Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam make to you? Hazrat Asim radiyallahu anhu said, I received nothing favorable from your end, for Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam disliked the question what I asked. Hazrat Uwaymar said, by Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, I will not give in until I find its percept from Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam. So Hazrat Uwaymar set out until he reached Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam and found him amidst the people, and then submitted, O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, will you kill a man in retaliation who in finding a man with his wife committing adultery kills him? Tell me, what should he do? Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam whereupon said, Allah Jalla Jalaluhu has revealed a command regarding you and your wife, so fetch her. Hazrat Sahel says, then they both invoked imprecation against each other, and I along with other people was in the company of Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam. When they both had done that, Hazrat Uwaymar submitted, O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, now if I keep her with me, I will be taken as a liar. So I give her 3 divorces before Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam has issued any decree. Ibn Shihab narrates, since then it has become a precedent for those who want to invoke mutual imprecation. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 5259.